Recording. This is me and Robbie on a little ATV.
Yes,
we are cruising. We are going to hunt for peacocks. We might get pulled over. We are on an ATV. We are going really fast. Woohoo! We are not drunk either. There's a yield sign.
Go through the puddle.
Go through the puddle.
Where's the puddle? Over there. Big puddle.
Big puddle. Big puddle.
All that.
Speed limit.
Oh, big puddle. Big puddle up there. Big puddle. Hit it.
25.
All ash. All ash.
Oh shit! Another big puddle.
All right, let's turn around. If you can.
And you gotta stop. Dude, this is awesome.
Yep.
Oh my god. We are. This is awesome. Forward into a mailbox.
You'll make it. Go. You'll make it. Go. Go to the puddle again.
Oh shit!
Go to the puddle.
This is fine. Fuck stop sign. That was all on video.
Yeah! Yeah!
Woo!
All that's up the driveway.
Ready for pump action! Dude, this is awesome! I don't know how to parallel park.
I'll park.
Woo! Okay, there's a giant boat. Oh my god, how fast are we going?
I don't know. Alright, I'll park you, bitch. What the hell are you supposed to drive for? Bitch.
Dude, this is awesome. Okay, this is what we rode on. We used to miss out on the city streets. No cops whatsoever. Here's Robbie parking. Wow!